to England back in 2010, I think it was. And I had so much fun there, I really enjoyed it. There was lots to see, and unfortunately you can never take it all in. Basically we drove around England in a hire car for I think it must have been 2 weeks. Then we went off to Europe and stuff, and 2 weeks isn't long enough to see England. There's so many awesome things, and as you can imagine, when I go there, there will be vlogging happening, or many vlogs. So yeah, I mean, I don't want to just go to England, I also want to go to the US. So at the moment, there's a few things I have, I don't want to say planned, I haven't planned them, nothing has been planned. This will probably be 2015, I think. But, I mean, in the US, it sounds a bit stupid, a bit cheesy, but I want to go and, I want to go to Portland, Oregon. It's the dream of the 90s, still alive in Portland. Remember a time when people used to hang shit from their penis? You know, people went to clown school. There's a place where that still exists. And I've been there. Well, I haven't been there. I want to go there. That's Portland, Oregon. So yeah, I want to go to Portland, because, you know, Portlandia, there's a comedy series called Portlandia that's filmed there in Portland, so I could just totally split past this, but I won't. Oh, he's hung it to the right. I'll let him go. So yeah, there's I want to go to Portland, and also being in Oregon, I know they have lots of, like, from what I believe, they have like plantation timber and stuff there, so they probably have like really nice forests, maybe. But I want to see like the Sequoia National Park. Oh shit! Triple! Yeah, I want to see Sequoia National Park, I want to see the Sequoia trees, and I think there's like a place called Death Valley I want to see, and a couple of museums. One is, I've seen it a few times on American Pictures, called Wheels Through Time, which is a motorcycle museum. I think there's probably going to be wrong, but I think it's the Barber Motorsports Motorcycle Museum, which has an amazing collection of motorcycles. That's pretty cool. I want to go to LeClaire, Iowa, and go to Antique Archaeology, and go to the Antique, the American Picker Shop. I think that would be pretty cool. I mean, I wouldn't mind going to, you know, Nashville and going to see the American Pickers Shop in Nashville, but don't know if that'll happen. I mean, if I had to prioritise, I'd probably go to Iowa before I go to Nashville. You know, touristy kind of shit doesn't really interest me. I'm not really one of those people. Like, I've been to Sydney a couple times. I remember the first time I went there, basically I saw the Sydney Harbour Bridge and the Opera House at the same time. I was like, really? I've seen them on TV a million times. I've seen pictures of it. It's not a big deal. So yeah, I'm looking forward to going to the US. I think the US is great. I don't really know what else there is to see. Definitely want to see, I guess, mountains and landscapes. Rocky Mountains would be good, because it's one of those things I've always heard about. And I do realise I'm probably going, like, you know, from complete opposite ends of the country to the other. It's like, you know, when people, like tourists, come here to Australia and they come to Perth and go, oh, I want to see the Opera House. What Opera House? You go, Sydney Opera House. And you do realise that that's 4,500 kilometres away. Or whatever. And, yeah. It's going to be awesome. Yeah, I think there's Death Valley and there's like Las Vegas and shit. I don't necessarily want to go to Las Vegas because it's kind of just desert and it doesn't really interest me. Gambling and all that kind of stuff. But it would be interesting. think anything else immediately that comes into my mind. I mean, if I went to New York would be pretty cool. I mean, I got to see the Statue of Liberty because, you know, Ghostbusters, they made it come alive, and it was, you know, walking down the street, walking down the streets. Because, I mean, they're not going to have a Marshmallow Man or anything like that. And I guess if I go to, I think I have to go to Universal Studios. I think that's in Orlando, which is Florida. So again, I'm going complete opposite ends of the country. And the thing is, I want to do it all, well, not all while riding a motorbike. You can't really go onto the Statue of Liberty on a motorbike because it's not really, I guess, practical or possible. But yeah, I think it would be pretty cool. You know, ride all around the US. For probably maybe 2 months. It's probably how long it's going to take to see everything and really take everything in. And I guess while I'm in New York, I'll probably have to go to the 9/11 Memorial. Maybe, I don't know. Probably not, but you never know. Alright. So you guys you're in for a treat. This is one of my favourite shops in Perth. This is a bird shop. So this is a bit of a treat for you all. Again, it's a bit more off-roading. It's just not the first time I've ridden here on the motorbike, so it's one thing I want to do definitely is off-road riding courses. My riding school was going to do some of those off-road riding classes, so wow. Basically, you just want to keep even on the power and mainly use the back brake, I think. Don't use the front brake. This might be interesting. I'm going to motovlog. I'm going to try to motovlog while I'm walking around here. This is a bird shop. There probably won't be people around, so I don't know. We'll see how we go. And I do need to go to the toilet. Just thought I'd share that with you. So that will have to be edited out. I'm sure no one wants to see me go to the toilet. I shouldn't even be talking about that. Who am I kidding? No one wants to see me go to the toilet. And if you do, you guys are sick. So, this is my favourite bird shop, birds and all. They sell birds, many birds. As you walk through, they usually have hand-reared birds. So quite cool. Ooh, an Eki. He's sold. So an eclectus parrot, or a native parrot. A rainbow lorikeet. Or red-collared lorikeet. An Alexandrine parrot. Got a couple corellas. Galah. Sunrays, Conure. They're nasty buggers. That's a gang cockatoo. Quite interesting. Okay, so over here they have budgies and stuff. Budgies, you can hear the lovebirds, you can hear the peach-faced lovebirds kicking around. I've had a few of those. Evil, angry, nasty things. They like to kill each other if you've got them, if you have a pair of them, or you have two in a cage. Don't put another one in there. They'll fucking kill it. Do like that blue one. There's a white. Blue lovebird, $55. Okay. So we're in Finch World. There's a little parrot of some sort. I don't know what parrot that is. Canaries. All types of different finches. I have quite a thing for those black-throat finches. Pretty cool. Parrot finches in there and stuff. Little finches. Got any zebra? Got zebra finches. and some little doves. An eclectus parrot pair. Got those guys there are sun conures. A couple of rainbow lorikeets. Got a galah and a rosella of some sort. Palehead rosella. Oh, these guys are one of my favourites. 2 males sold. Those green guys with the red wings, crimson wing parrots, they are gorgeous, I love them. Beautiful birds, a couple Indian ringnecks at the back there. Got a eastern king parrot, and that one with the kind of reddish head is a western king parrot, or red cap parrot, sorry. A couple galahs, these are 28s. They're a native parrot to here. Barabands, or splendids, whatever you want to call them. Sorry, superbs, not splendids. A couple of rosellas at the back there. I'll keep recording. Oh, they got black-headed cakes. Oh, nose. Thanks, 1500. Wings not clipped. Oh my god. I'm gonna totally take a photo of it. I have one of you guys at home. There we go. I know what you guys are up to. These are up to no good. Major Mitchell. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording because it might be getting a bit weird now that I'm talking to myself. So I'm going to leave it here. Stuff. I'm gonna keep talking to myself. Hey, kitty. Kid waved. They call these a gorilla, which is a galah cross corella. People like them. I do not know why. Pink and grey. I hope this is still recording, and I hope people do not think I'm insane. There's a Major Mitchell there at the face of its nest, and there's a red-tailed black cockatoo. Hopefully you can make out the little translucent red areas in the tail. They have some more parrots out the back, but most of the staff are kind of sitting around together and talking about shit, so might have to leave you. I hope you enjoyed 3/4 of the bird shop. Thank you very much. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.